there, this is Zubair Khalik and you're watching Urdu Ghar. So an English video on Urdu Ghar sounds weird, but that's alright as long as sharing information is concerned. So guys, the drama serial Ertugrul Ghazi is receiving unbridled success from across the globe, and we have been receiving some of the emails and comments from our foreigner friends. People wanted us to make some videos in English as well about this wonderful series. So in this regard, this is the first video in English that we are going to make for all of you, for the English speaking community. And in today's video, we are going to introduce you some of the very important characters of Ertugrul Ghazi and how to pronounce them, because pronunciation is also a big concern. So the time of this story is 12th to 13th century, and the geography is Anatolia, the present day Turkey. This story is based on a courageous, young and intelligent warrior, Ertugrul. And Ertugrul lived in a tribe named as Kayi. The chief of that particular tribe is Suleman Shah, father of Ertugrul, and mother is Haima Hatun. Hatun is basically in Islamic culture is just added for the respect of females. So Suleman Shah is the father, Haima Hatun is the mother, and they are having 4 of the wonderful sons. The first one is not present in the first season, so we are not gonna discuss him. The second son is Gundodu. That's how you need to pronounce him, Gundodu. The second son is Ertugrul, and he is our lead character. The third son is Dundar Bey, and he is the youngest of all, Dundar Bey. The wife of Gundodu is Seljan Hatun. In Turkish language, C is pronounced as J. So you need to pronounce her as Seljan Hatun. And Seljan is having a beautiful sister who loves Ertugrul, and her name is Gokchi. And that's the most difficult name that you need to pronounce is Gokchi. Gokchi loves Ertugrul. So these are some of the main characters. They are living in somewhere in Anatolia, and in the first season, these are some of the main characters that the story is going to revolve around them. So this story is based on Islamic warrior Ertugrul. This is a true story, but in drama, definitely, you know, some of the things are added as fiction, but most of the story is based on truth, and that is about Islamic history and bright Islamic history. So that was the first video that we just thought to introduce you some of the characters, and in next video we are going to go in more detail of this beautiful drama serial, and we'll definitely share you about the first season of Ertugrul Ghazi and how the story just went on and how different characters played their important role in this. So stay tuned with Urdu Ghar for English videos, and that's all for today's video. Hope to see you soon. Allah Hafiz.